Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact West Bromwich Building Society customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. In the top, there's address bar. You need to type down West Bromwich Building Society and enter it. And from the search result, you need to select this top website. And once inside this website, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom. And from here, go to this contact us here in the bottom. And once inside this contact us, you can scroll a bit down. And from here, you'll get this number here. You can simply dial this number and which is available from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. and on Saturday, 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. And before contacting the support, make sure you have your account or mortgage information ready for verification and never share your password, PIN, or security code. And if you need more help, you can also go to this live chat here at the bottom right. And you need to select this top icon that says tell us what you would like to talk about and select the issue that you have and select start live chat in the bottom. So over here, you need to simply type down your message if you have any issue and select send over here. And from the live chat, you can get the assistance and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.